Hello everyone, welcome to this series wherein we are trying to explore and understand as to how to ace your CLAT and ALET 26 or 27. And as I have reiterated multiple times, as I have told you multiple times, two things become extremely important if you want to actually ace this examination. One is your syllabus, which will tell you what to study, and the second is your past year papers, because your past year papers tell you how to study, like what to study and how to study. आपकी दो चीजें सॉर्ट हो जाएंगी, आपका एग्जाम सॉर्ट हो जाएगा. What to study is mentioned in the syllabus, how to study is mentioned in the previous year papers. By the same route. Now, this question came in your ALET examination of 2011. The state having the maximum number of seats in Rajya Sabha. अब हम ये जैसे ही क्वेश्चन देखेंगे हमें पता चल जाएगा allocation of seats. Allocation of seats to Rajya Sabha is something very important. Allocation of to Rajya Sabha. Now, Rajya Sabha is your upper house, also called as House of Lords या फिर House of Elders. The minimum age for you to become a member in Rajya Sabha is 30 years, right? And you should also be a citizen of India. You should also not be holding any office of profit. ये सब आपने कवर किया होगा अपने फाउंडेशन कोर्सेज में, right? Currently, the total strength of Rajya Sabha is 250, the sanctioned strength. But out of those 250, only 245 are occupied, right? Out of those 245, 233 are elected. The election is indirect, and the MLAs of different state vote into it. Indirect elections, the MLAs that are elected by you will eventually elect your Rajya Sabha members. Rajya Sabha is also called as Council of State, which means यहाँ पे ना स्टेट का रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है. ये यूपी बिहार एमपी महाराष्ट्र का रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ स्टेट्स. इसलिए आप देखोगे ऑल इंडिया सर्विस पे लॉ सिर्फ कौन बना सकता है? राज्यसभा, राइट? 233 मेंबर्स आर इनडायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड and 12 people are nominated. Now who nominates them? The president of India. अब ये करंट में भी था तो पूछ सकता है, the president of India, right? Now your Rajya Sabha will have people coming from all across India. So your Rajya Sabha will have people coming from all across India. So allocation of seats to Rajya Sabha, which means इस स्टेट कितनी सीट्स मिलेंगी, ये मेंशनड है हमारे शेड्यूल 4 में. कहाँ मेंशनड है? शेड्यूल 4. तो शेड्यूल 4 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन टॉक्स अबाउट एलोकेशन ऑफ सीट्स टू राज्यसभा. जब हम उस लिस्ट को देखते हैं, जब हम शेड्यूल 4 को देखते हैं, तो हम ये पाते हैं कि सबसे ज़्यादा राज्यसभा में सीट्स यूपी के पास है, विच कैन ऑल्सो बी गेस्ड बिकॉज यूपी हैज़ द हाइएस्ट पॉपुलेशन. अच्छा, इसमें एक क्वेश्चन बहुत पॉपुलर है जो पूछता है शेड्यूल कास्ट के पास सबसे ज़्यादा सीट्स कहाँ से आती हैं लोकसभा में? तो द आंसर इज मध्य प्रदेश. तो द आंसर फॉर दिस योर शेड्यूल 4 विल बिकम उत्तर प्रदेश, है ना? I hope you are understanding the purpose why we are trying to do this. We're trying to help those people who are not enrolled in any other coaching institutes. If they are able to understand as to how to crack this examination, the relevance of previous year papers, this exam becomes a cakewalk, right? This becomes extremely simple. For now, thank you so much. I hope, obviously, we'll meet in the next video. For now, thank you so much.